Hello. Today I'm going to show you a great new report that we have added to your Genesis Now system. We have added a book of business summary by line of business and carrier that can also show the percentage of each line of business. Let's start from our Genesis Now dashboard. On your toolbar, select Reports. Once in Report, select Summary Report. We will then click on Book of Business by policy type. This report has already been selected and set up with all of the filters needed to show the line of business, carrier, and percentage. Let's click View Report. As you can see, the report is broken down by company, policy type, number of policies in this company and policy type, percent of total premium, and annual premium. If you scroll down to the bottom, it is all summarized in Book of Business by policy type. Should you have any questions or need any help, remember we have our chat button at the bottom right of the screen or from your Genesis Now dashboard, bottom of the toolbar, the Help button. Hope this information helps. Thank you.